It is local spot prawn season. These spot prawns are arriving fresh daily to our stores. Today we're going to share our 3 best tips for cooking them up. And the first one is cook them up fresh. The second you get them, bring them home, cook them up. They're going to taste the best fresh. Give your prawns a good rinse before you put them in the pan. We're going to add some olive oil, fresh garlic, fresh lemon juice, and butter to our pan. Tip number 2, do not overcook your spot prawns. They're going to take 1 to 2 minutes in the frying pan. Once they are no longer opaque and nice and bright pink, they're done. Remove the tails and top with fresh lemon juice and fresh parsley. Another way to cook the spotted prawns is by boiling them in water with lemon, salt, and pepper. Our third tip for cooking the spotted prawns is to keep it simple. You need minimal ingredients to enjoy these delicious local spotted prawns. All right, all cooked up. They're really easy to peel. Just gonna separate them, give it a pull. The head should come off very easily. There's the tail. I'm gonna give this a try.